This is the ICE facility at the center of this issue, and these are the allegedly war-ravaged streets, according to President Trump, where he wants to send the National Guard. Now, there are a few dozen people around here.
That's right, we all hate you!
Protesters perhaps, but very, very peaceful for now. We are not going to see National Guard on these streets for at least a few days because there are still legal wrinkles to come out. So basically, there were two temporary restraining orders. One saying that the federal government could not federalize the Oregon National Guard. The second saying that they could not deploy federalized National Guard in Oregon. What has been lifted is that order saying that they weren't allowed to federalize the Oregon Guard. They can now do that, but technically they still can't deploy federalized National Guard on these streets, not yet. The federal government thinks it's just a formality for that restraining order also to be lifted. Now, why did the judges rule this way? Well, there was damage to this building in the summer. There was some violence here in the summer. Federal Protection Service officers had to be sent in. So these two judges, two of the three judges, ruled that the president was acting within his authority to send federal troops to execute the rule of law. The government had also argued that this constituted a rebellion, what's been happening here. The judges did not agree with that. Now, Oregon officials are going to fight this and continue to fight this. The governor called this an unwanted, unneeded military intervention, gross un-American abuse of power. The Attorney General says we are on a dangerous path in America. It's going to be interesting to see over the next few days, and we will be watching the reaction of the people here on the street if and when, probably when, National Guard troops arrive.